You woke up on a pirate ship in the middle of the ocean. Your hands touched the wet wooden deck. Ropes swayed above you. The ship moved gently with the waves. You looked around. There was no land, no city, no way back. Only endless water. And a ship sailing by itself. Huge sails moved in the wind. The deck was quiet, too quiet. Barrels, crates, lanterns, and ropes were everywhere, but there was no crew, no captain. Then, an old pirate hat slid across the floor. It stopped right in front of you. Before you could touch it, you heard footsteps below deck. Suddenly, a colorful parrot landed on a barrel. It looked at you and said, "You are late." Then it flew toward a large wooden door with a golden skull. You followed it inside. The captain's cabin glowed with candlelight. Gold coins, old books, maps, and strange objects filled the room. On the desk, a treasure map began to glow. A red X appeared on a hidden island. You ran back to the deck. The ship's wheel was spinning by itself. The ship was following the map. Then pirates appeared from the shadows. One by one, they stepped onto the deck. A tall pirate captain walked toward you. He smiled and said, "We need a new explorer." Before you could answer, the sky turned dark. Rain began to fall. Waves crashed against the ship. The storm had arrived. You grabbed a thick rope with both hands. Pirates ran across the deck. Then, through the rain, you saw a light. A lighthouse was glowing far away. The ship followed the light. The storm slowly faded, and by sunrise, a hidden island appeared. At the bottom of the cliff, there was a dark cave. And you entered the cave. Inside, crystals glowed in the darkness. Gold coins covered the ground. The captain pointed to one small chest. You opened it slowly. Inside, there was a glowing compass. You picked it up. The needle spun again and again. You woke up on a pirate ship